You can hear it. Starting to melt. I should have come out right when it was really frosted. It was too warm in bed. Well, hey everybody, it's Paul, and welcome to part 2 of the winter remix video of Is This a Joke? Is Mother Nature trying to tell us something? No. It's not going to just be a rant video, and I won't just be doing winter vlogs every day on the old channel, but I just thought it was funny, the first few days of the year it's been like ice storm, and now Mother Nature on top of the ice, which makes for some pretty nice pictures, decided that we need a little bit of snow on top of everything. But the funny thing is, I thought to myself, I better get out there, because it's almost like somebody turned a switch. We just went right over the freezing point, and all the stuff is starting to really drip off of the branches and everything. Big clumps are coming down, so I thought, well, I better get out there before it's too late and get some video of the pretty snow. It's all starting to drip. All starting to melt. There you can see some of the trees out the front. Got a pretty good coating on them. I was just too warm in bed to get out here, but at least you can see it a little bit. There's some big pieces coming down. What you can't see is the neighbor's got a fireplace going, and you just catch a whiff, just the faintest, not overpowering, just the slightest little whiff of a wood burning, fireplace going. Gotta say, that's nice. Yeah, it's just like somebody turned a switch, and by the time I got my boots on, I could see it from my window. Things were starting to melt. It is. Well, at least it's a peaceful, quiet morning. Nothing like a nice, quiet morning to start your day. So thank you so much, as always, for stopping by the old guy's place, seeing a few sights, and a quick hello. Until next time, we'll see yous.